I'm sure you must have seen or read that the current data says 15 lakh engineers pass out every year in India, out of which only 5% come from IITs and NITs, and remaining 5% from state-run universities. So out of 15 lakhs, only 10% means 1,50,000 engineers, and they are most sought after and they are being taken by big companies. The thing is that, what about the remaining students? And there's also a data available which says that only 36% of the engineering graduates are employable. So when we say employable, it doesn't mean that these students are not good. Apart from their, I think most of the students, I used to go to colleges for campus interview as a part of Wipro ambassador, and Wipro goes only to tier 1 colleges. So, and I used to interact with students who have got very good CGPA, 7, 8, 9, 9.2, 9.3, something. But when I had to interview them, we used to interview in the third round, that's a business round. So those students, as part of the campus interview, first they would go through a written test, online test, whatever. Then they'll go through a technical round, where if it is for programming or the technical round. In the third round they'll come to us, we'll take their management interview. So what I would look for in those students, if I take these freshers in my project to deliver something, whether they'll be fit for my project or not. So it is not the subject that they have learned, it is not the CGPA that they have achieved. We look for different things, right? For example, the social and cultural fit, because we do the global projects. I have been handling only global projects. As I said, companies like Nestle, GSK, Citibank, all global companies. So I had to work with a team of people sitting across the globe. So first thing is social and cultural fit. Then there are cognitive skills, right? Like reasoning. The person is, if we get into, as I said, every day we have a different kind of a challenge when you are working for the client. So if my team member, this person, if I take him in my team, if he has to face a difficult situation on a particular day, what would be his reaction? Whether he'll be able to come out of that and work and deliver as per the expectation or not. So I would look for that. I ask him some scenario-based questions, or I ask him something just to see whether he is open for this kind of thing. We don't expect that person to know everything. He's a fresher, he or she is a student, is a fresher. So these are the aspects that we look for. Now based on this, the data which I mentioned, that only 36% of the students, engineering graduates, are employable. This data came from TCS also. 2 years back, TCS came up with the policy that they are going to pay double the salary. For freshers, they had a package of 3.5 to 4 lakhs. Okay, but they also announced a policy that they are going to pay double this package if they get students who has got skills in AI. 3 years back. Okay? So any of the 9 emerging technologies, right? There are 9 emerging technologies as per NASSCOM. So they said clearly that if these freshers, they come and with their engineering degree, they have any of these additional degrees, we are ready to pay double the salary.